And he's explaining how this is done very briefly. And it's a bit fast for the text, but in a minute you'll see that to appreciate the flexibility of this. This is with explaining how this is done, but how the algorithm is working. But what they can do today, this is just unbelievable. Look on the smoke. You want to change the dress.